friends, today we shall make the levitating tap. So let's begin. What you will get in Wow Science kit? First you will get one piece of pipe, one piece of water tap, one bucket and one DC water pump. So let's begin. First you will take the pipe and place it in the pump. And you will place the pump here. And you will put the cap of bucket in here. And you will take the cap over here. And you will place the tap here. And put water in it, in the bucket. You can put some pebbles in it. So we have decorated our fountain tap, and let's see a magic. So our fountain tap is ready. As you can see, water is coming from the levitating tap and moving here. You can amaze your friends with this, and goodbye.